Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to go over Status, the SNT crypto coin project, and we are going to discuss what is Status, founders of Status, unique features, token circulation and security. So this will be a video you want to follow along to the very end, because at the end I give you my personal opinions on this token. What is Status? Let's kick things off by exploring the innovative cryptocurrency known as Status, represented by the SNT ticker symbol. But what exactly is Status? Well, Status is more than just your average cryptocurrency. It's a mobile and desktop operating system that doubles as a decentralized browser complete with messaging system. This unique combination enables users to interact with the network at any time from anywhere. Status initially saw the light of day in June 2017, and it has been making waves ever since. The founders of Status. Before we go into depth about the founders of Status or SNT, check out Bitflex and Bybit and use those links for all it's worth, because you get some great bonuses when you use those exact links. And I also have some other links below this video. Just check out the description of this video. So now, who's behind this intriguing project? Status as a network was co-founded by Carl Bennett and Jared Hope. Prior to their journey with Status, both had experience running a software distribution company. They worked together on various projects over 6 years, and during that time they managed a distribution network that reached an impressive 20 million installations across different software offerings. The profits from this venture were instrumental in funding their future projects, giving them unique insights into the world of data acquisition and user retention on the internet. What sets Status apart from other cryptocurrencies, and what are the unique features? So what sets Status apart from the sea of cryptocurrencies out there? Status, represented by SNT, isn't a cryptocurrency. It's an open source messaging platform with a mobile interface. This unique interface allows users to interact with decentralized applications, apps running on the Ethereum blockchain. In return, users gain access to over 2,000 apps, the ability to send and receive encrypted messages on a peer-to-peer basis, and the power to make payments and utilize smart contracts. Status Network Tokens (SNT) serves as a native currency on the platform. Status has a clear goal to accelerate the adoption of Ethereum dApps and make the process more efficient. But that's not all. Status incorporates a network of users as stakeholders, ensuring that the network's behaviors aligns with the interests of its specific users. Contributors engage in research on a crypto economic model, and peer-to-peer technologies play a vital role in maintaining a robust and healthy Status network. Status token circulating supply and security. Now let's discuss the circulation of Status SNT tokens and the security measures in place. Currently, the circulating supply of SNT stands at approximately 3.47 billion tokens, with no maximum supply cap in sight. As of November 1st, 2023, the market capitalization of SNT hovers around $369 million. SNT is an ERC20 token designed to provide access and power decentralized services within the Status network. It's an open source project, making it accessible for anyone to utilize for their specific needs. Project is also verified by the Masari Disclosures Registry. In terms of security, the Status network's primary objective is to be a generally decentralized communication tool. Over time, it aims to eliminate all third-party involvements and minimize any potential attacks vectors for malicious actors. Messages sent through Status are not blocked or censored. and they offer the opinion of being pseudo-anonymous. That wraps up our deep dive into Status SNT, the unique cryptocurrency that's shaping the way we interact with dApps on the Ethereum blockchain. As the crypto world evolves, Status stands out with its user-friendly interface and innovative features. If you're looking to explore the world of decentralized applications and peer-to-peer interactions, Status might just be the answer. Stay tuned for more crypto updates and crypto project reviews, and I hope you all have a great weekend or day and week, and make sure you learn as much as humanly possible, and eventually you will learn, my friend. Hope you liked this Status SNT review, and make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel for future updates. Have a great day. Take care.